How to get Pokemon TCG Pocket on Apple iPhone. Today, I will show you how to get Pokemon TCG Pocket on your Apple iPhone. So first, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on your name to view your account settings. From here, select country or region. Now, tap Change Country or Region. Choose a country where Pokemon TCG Pocket is available, like Philippines or New Zealand. Then select your chosen country. Then agree to the terms and conditions. You will need to fill out some necessary details to complete the region change. Once that's done, go back to the App Store and search for Pokemon TCG Packet. It should now be available to download and install. And that's it. You can now enjoy playing Pokemon TCG Pocket on your iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.